Hello, my name is Pharit. My name is Pharit. In this video, I will present my project, a program that will show the movement of a rolling bottle. So firstly, what I need to do is I need to measure the distance traveled by the bottle and the time. Actually, I thought this was the easiest process, but no, it's not. Then I put the data I collected into the table and then do the graphing in the Google Sheet. Next, the longest and the most complex part, coding. For this part, I plan the code first, then code it down. After that, I then recheck the coding, find the error and then fix it. Luckily, my code works well, so I didn't need to fix anything. Then finally, I did this video. For me, the part that I struggled the most was when I observed the position and the time of the rolling bottle. It takes tons of attempts for me to nail it. I also try rolling and sliding other objects, finding the most effective and least inaccurate, and I choose to roll the bottle. This process took me 31 attempts in total because I couldn't roll the object properly. Sometimes I push too hard and the object gets out of the measured distance, and sometimes I push too light so that the object barely moves. And the problem is not only about the force applied to the bottle, the angle of the object is also not perpendicular with the tape measure. So I decided to solve the problem by setting up the experiment at one of the corners in my house. This way I can control the angle of the object easier.
Nice.
The theory I use in this project is velocity equal to displacement over change in time, and acceleration equal to change in velocity over change in time. I needed these formulas because it can find velocity from just the displacement and the time of the bottle using the first formula, and then I can find acceleration from the velocity I got and time using the second formula afterwards. I definitely need velocity and acceleration of the rolling bottle to create the velocity time graph and the acceleration time graph. And then finally we come to the end of this video. Thank you for listening.